Girl. Can you put your necklace on? Now you guys gonna take it off. Can you show everybody how you put your necklace on? That's right. Oh, who's a big girl? Oh, show off your pretty necklace. Quit sitting on Mom's foot. Who's pretty? Oh, you're gonna take it off now? Can I have the necklace? Oh, thank you. Let go of it. Can I have it? You gave it to me though. And you give a... Don't you think you're being a little bit of a drama queen? Yeah, a little. Put your necklace on. Can you put it on? Put your necklace on. Quit sitting on my foot. If I move my foot, you're gonna fall. Are you eating it? Oh, Daddy's calling.